Hello, welcome to a new cool unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the 100 psi 12 volt portable mini air compressor for your automotive. It's a car tire inflator pump. You can fast and easy to use this device. It is a mini air compressor. It is great for bicycle tires, balls, inflatable rafts, toys, and air mats too. It is lightweight and portable, so you can store it in the garage or your car's trunk for total easy resting, of course. This is a built-in air pressure gauge to ensure that you inflate the tire to the correct pressure required for your tires. So let's have a look what's inside. This is the main device. This is a pump, the air inflate machine. There is one switch on top for on and off, and there is an wire for the inflate. This is for the inflate wire, as you can see. And no, this is for power supply, of course. Sorry about this. And this is about 3 meters, I think. And there it is, the inflate cable for your valve at your car rims, for example. Yeah, and there is a gauge on top. Yeah, good job. Easy going. And there are two more equipments. One equipment for balls. This is a needle equipment, and the second one is for toys or air mats, of course. So there it is. Now let's have a look how to use it. For example, we will inflate our tires of your car, or my car in this case. So first step, power supply, plug it in, and then turn ignition to on. You do not have to start the engine, only switch to on. Now test it on. It's loud, isn't it? And off. There is a valve cap. And now let's have a test inflate. So untighten the dust cover and then use the inflate wire, push it in position and lock it. Easy going. And as you can see, there it is. The pressure gauge tells you how much psi or bar is inside your rim. So in this case, it's 30, nearly 30 psi. Yeah, good job. And now let's have the inflate action, and job's done. Then unlock it and extract. Dust cover back in position. Easy going. You do not need a manpower for this. Only the machine will do the work. Okay, now the second example is we will need the needle adapter. You have to lock this needle adapter too, and then use a needle and push it inside the valve of your ball. Good job. Now switch on your pump, inflator pump, and then the air is inflating inside the ball. Easy going. You do not have to pump. You only have to stay and relax a little bit. And until the right PSI measuring is reached, then switch off your tire inflator pump. And there it is. Easy going. And you can go back to sport. For example, you can do this with a football, you can do this with a soccer ball, you can do this with some other balls, as you like. Extract the part and easy. Now let's go back to the center court. Good job, easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. But there's one thing left. We have to disassemble the needle adapter. Oh yeah. Unlock it and then push it out. Good job. Soon.